Hello everyone, welcome to Lockdown Recipe Contest. I am Swadhin Chaudhary from Xavier College of Hotel Management, Barampur, Odisha. So now as a pandemic situation, our Xavier College organized a Lockdown Recipe Contest to show off the hidden talent of the student. So we regretful to our director. Okay, let's make the recipe. So here I have taken 4 medium sized potato. First I peel them and cut them into finger lengths and soaked in water until the color of potato will be not changes. Then salt according to taste. 1 tablespoon of ginger, chopped ginger. 1 tablespoon, 1 medium size of capsicum, cut them into slices. 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon chopped green chili. Then 1 medium sized onion cut into slices. 3 tablespoon of refined flour, 2 tablespoon of corn flour, then 2 tablespoon of rice flour, then 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar. From this bottle add 2 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, then 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Then this one is the Szechuan sauce. This was the homemade Szechuan sauce. Okay, let's parboil the potato. Parboil means it become 30% be cooked. Then add half tablespoon of salt. Okay. Let's add the potato. The potato be cooked 5 minutes over. Let's pull them out. Drain the water. So here I have taken a big size container. Add the soaked boiled potato. Then add 2.5 tablespoon of refined flour, tablespoon of corn flour, then 2 tablespoon of rice flour. Kadai or pan, add the oil. So as you notice, the potato be coated. Then potato is ready to fry. And add the potato. Ready? Okay. Let's pull them out. This one is the deep fry. Then we go to the second is full fry. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. And add 1 tablespoon of chopped green chili. Then add some sliced onion. Then add sliced capsicum. Okay, as you notice, the onion becomes brown and the capsicum be soft. 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. This was the homemade paste. Then add half tablespoon of vinegar. Two tablespoon of tomato ketchup. And half tablespoon of soya sauce. Saute all the ingredients. Give them a quick stir. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then add the fried potato. Give them a quick stir. Okay. Then add the main ingredient is honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. Then add 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds or tail. Then stir continuously. Okay, honey chili potato is ready. It's time to serve. So our honey chili potato is ready.